Hey, welcome back to part 3. I wanted to make this at least in 2 parts, but hey, part 3. So we just pulled this out of the box. Call of Duty Black Ops 4. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ooh, let's find out what's in this great big box. Dun dun dun! It is oh, a little Call of Duty pop socket. That says Call of Duty Black Ops on there. I guess they do have the 4 symbol on there. Yeah, but I mean, why throw it in such a big box? I mean, they could have thrown it like right here in the box that came with, the patches. By the way, I believe these patches are iron patches. Don't know why the games of Call of Duty is still going with iron-on patches. I don't know if they realize this, but now in the patch community, we're getting away from iron-on patches. We want Velcro patches that, we could put on our patch Morale Velcro wall. We could put them on our patch Velcro backpack, patch Velcro vest. Because, I mean, if you're into, like, airsoft, like BB gun, airsoft type of thing, there's been morale patches that, you could stick onto backpacks. You could stick them onto hats. I feel it's like, what is that one? Like 119 or something? I can't quite. Oh, maybe it's something like that. That they're a famous like tactical company that they usually make like hats and stuff. Yeah, I mean, like, seriously, iron-on patches. Come on, people nowadays, we want to have actual Velcro ones, but we could take it off, put it on something else, use it and stuff. Something that, we're going to get a little more use of it. So yeah, here's just the weather pop socket. And you can tell they're made by the same company. Don't know why they put it on the small little card in this little baggie. I mean, what the F is wrong with just putting in like an actual one like this? The only difference that I can see is that, this one has a little barcode on there that, you can scan it and say, oh, I don't want it. Give me, like the, what is it, 10, 16 butts that Sony's go for. They're like, no, this is a collector's edition. The only way that you could, I guess, somewhat legally buy it is if someone bought this game and was selling just this part on eBay. But if you want to buy a replacement one, you're out of luck. Unless you check eBay and, do that BS stuff. But if you want to get an actual one that you could get pretty much from any in-store, yeah. But it is made from the same company. Because that's what I was wondering. It's made by the same, pop socket company. And yeah, it is. Right there, you can see. So yeah. So, yeah. And finally, we have our last thing in here. The Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies. Which, I mean, this one's actually kind of cool. Because it's a little die-cast cutout type of thing. You know what I mean? The other one, just that. I don't know why they couldn't do this over here. Like, take the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 symbol. Which you can see, it's kind of like a triangle / point, almost like a shield shape. You see how that symbol is. And just put it over here on this flap that opens up. Kind of like how this flap opens up. Because, I mean, this one's kind of like a triangle pointed shield. Triangle pointed shield, but no. So, yeah, let's get into what the heck do they call this stuff? Collectible art cards. So, here's the cards. Voyage of Despair. It's kind of got like a finish on here. Kind of like a tester grippy finish on one side. But on the other side it just says Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies. Doesn't say anything about character bios, about the map, any special hints. No, that's kind of like, okay, that's BS. Here's them fighting in Gladiator Wing, which artwork looks pretty nice. I won't lie about that. I mean, that looks pretty cool. Again, same thing on the back. That's what I say to that. And this one, Blood of the Dead. Yeah, it kind of looks okay. bat, still garbage. So there's all three. There's the bat of all three. Yay! $120 worth. I say not worth it. I mean, if anything, just go in and buy like the $60 standard edition. Because I mean, a pop socket, eBay, Target, Walmart, Myers, pretty much anywhere you could buy a freaking pop socket. The specialist patches, and they're okay, I guess. The collector cards, art cards, they're somewhat okay. The steelbook, not really that great. And the game, $60 standard edition. And then, just buy a season pass. That's what I would say would be like, the best of the best. So, is it really worth it for $120? Compared to Call of Duty, World War II edition, that was like, what, $160? No. And yes, if you remember from video 1, I did say that we will tailor the poster, and we will. I told you we'll tailor it later. Didn't say we'll tailor it in video 1 or video 2. So this is kind of something that they did different this year. Instead of putting the rubber band here, they actually took a GameStop receipt out of the register, a point receipt, and one of those little stickers, for like used games, or like if you wanted to buy insurance on your games. Yeah. Which, I mean, it's pretty cool. And it actually keeps it tight without actually getting that whole, type of rubber band bend design. So, let me actually get this open here, and we'll try to tailor it what the poster looks like. Now, the only downside I can see about this is when you're using a knife to cut open the poster from the tape. That's the only downside that I could feel about on this. Hopefully, I didn't chop up my poster. Give me a couple more seconds here, cause yeah. Okay, like you see, just the receipt, and oh, by the way, the poster's only one side, so we don't even get a freaking double-sided poster anymore. We get a one-sided poster. And the poster is now the new heavy focus on Blackout, or aka every single freaking game now. Battle Royale! Battle I don't care! Type of thing. I mean, look at it. PUBG, PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds. That game, they started the whole, really true gaming online focused Battle Royale. I mean, yeah, there's been Battle Royale for games before that, but I mean, that's where it really started getting popular. And then, after the paid, PUBG, then you had the free-to-play, but you had to pay to get, skins and weapons and stuff, Fortnite. Which, again, Fortnite, they was trying to make it like, 2 games in one, like, you could play like weather game, like the Eye of the Storm type of game against like zombies or whatever it was, and then they all changed to like, hey, let's go Battle Royale! Yeah, that's a great idea! Not really. And then, of course, hey, Call of Duty Black Ops was like, hey, if there's PUBG and Fortnite, let's have our Battle Royale! And now, Battlefield 5 is like, well, if PUBG and, Fortnite and Call of Duty have Battle Royale, why not us? Why not every single freaking game have a Battle Royale? I would love to see, The Legend of Zelda Battle Royale. What else would we like to see? Star Fox Battle Royale. Pac-Man Battle Royale. Wouldn't you love to see a Pac-Man Battle Royale? Sonic Battle Royale. I mean, come on. What is this going to be now? Every single freaking game you buy, Battle Royale, Battle Royale, Battle Royale. I mean, it's great that they put it in, don't get me wrong, but just not every single freaking game nowadays that's coming out. Also, one thing that I freaking hate, and I'm sure you freaking hate a ton, just as much as me, maybe even more, in Battle Royale games, say there's like a max player limit of 100, right? You know, you drop in, you're the first guy to hit the ground, bam! You get murked. Seriously, you get like T-Bay, ran over, spit roasted, call it what you will. You get that, right? So now, instead of saying, hey, congratulations, out of the 100 players, you're the first person that got killed. Right? Instead of saying, you know, like, which I wish that there was an option that you could just drop out and leave, which, I mean, Call of Duty kind of has that option in their game, but I mean, usually with a good majority is Battle Royale, I don't give a flying F, whatever type of games. You're like, oh my god, the game lasts like maybe 45 to 60 minutes. You're the first player that gets killed. You gotta wait 65 to 40 minutes just until you able to get back into the next game. It's not like, okay, I got killed, I got wet. Okay, let me go find another game. Maybe I could do better in another game. No, you gotta wait in line. What can you do for about a half hour? Order pizza. That'll take about maybe 20 minutes until it's delivered. Like most gamers, not myself, but you know, a good majority of the label type of gamers, small little something. You can watch some Netflix. Netflix is always great to pass the time until your next Battle Royale freaking match. YouTube, awesome. Just search online, chat on the phone, Facebook. This game